Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn another problem from LeetCode. The problem number is 34 and the problem is find first and last position of the element in sorted array. Here you can see find first and last position of the element in a sorted array. Okay, and statement is a given an array of integer numbers. Okay, like this, sorted in non-decreasing order. Okay, and find the starting and ending position of a given target value. If target is not found in the array, return -1 and -1. You must write an algorithm with O 0 log and runtime complexity. Okay, so I have target 8. Here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3. At index 3 we find out 3. At index 3 we find out 8 at first, and at last we got it at index number 4. Okay, here you can see target equals to 6. So we don't have any target here, so we return -1 -1 for first and second, and both for both function we need to return -1 and -2. Here we have two function, find first and find last. Okay, if you have empty number array and target equals to 0, output will be -1 comma -1. Okay guys, so here you need to define two function. Okay, so we already define here two function, and I need to write code for find the first number. Okay, find the first and ending position of a given value, I mean a given target value. Okay, so here you can see I need to write left comma right. Right equals to 0 comma length of numbers -1. First equals to -1. Okay, and first equals to -1. After that I need to define while left is less than equals to right. If left is less than equals to right, then I need to define mid. Okay, mid equals to left plus right, left plus right divided by 2. If I am applying condition, if numbers from mid equals to target, mid number equals to target, if mid number equals to target, then first equals to first first equals to mid, and right equals to mid -1. Elif mid numbers of mid is less than target, then left equals to mid plus 1. Else right equals to mid minus 1. Okay guys, so here we are going to find out first target. Okay, so here you can see left equals to 0 and right equals to length of number minus 1. Okay, so first equals to minus 1. Okay, so while left is less than equals to right, so mid equals to left plus right divided by 2, that we will find out mid. If mid number equals to target, then first equals to mid and right equals to mid minus 1. Okay, and if number mid is less than target, then left equals to mid plus 1, and else right equals to mid minus 1. Okay, so after that I need to define another function which is called find last. Okay, so here numbers and target is the input parameter. Okay, and target also is input parameter. Here I need to define same left and right length first, while left is less than equals to right, and mid equals to left plus right divided by 2. If number mid is equals to target. Okay, here from line number 6 to line number 10 we need to copy. I copied it, then I need to paste it here. Okay, left equals to 0 and right equals to length number minus 1, and last equals no, here I can't write first, this is the last equals to minus 1, and while left is less than equals to right, mid equals to left plus right divided by 2, if middle number equals to target. Okay, now I need to define last equals to. So last equals to mid, and left equals to mid plus 1. Elif numbers mid is less than elif mid number is less than from the target, then left equals to mid plus 1. else right equals to mid plus 1, sorry, mid minus 1. Then I need to return what? I think I did wrong indent. I applied wrong indentations. Okay, so now it is okay. Again, I need to return last, and here I also return here. And after that I need to return first function and last function, find first, find last, both function we need to return, and here is the argument of both numbers and target. Okay, numbers and target. Now I need to run this. Okay, so while left is less than equals to line number 8. Here I forget to put here also. Spelling mistake here at line number 28. Now again I need to run this. So I have got wrong answer. 88 cases passed from sorry, 18 cases passed from 88. Okay, so I need to check this. Okay, so I have mistaked. I mean, I took variable name. Somewhere is small l and somewhere is it capital L. Start from capital L. So I need to return it in small. Here also check. Okay, now I need to submit it. Okay, so all cases accepted because I did mistake. I got error because of mistake. I got error. So here you can see this is our first function and this is our find last. This is the another function. Okay, here you can find out last number. While left is less than equals to right. This is for finding a middle value. If middle number equals to target, last equals to middle, and left equals to middle plus one. And if middle number is less than target, left plus middle plus one, else right equals to mid minus one, return last. Here you can see find first, left right equals to zero, and right equals to left number minus one. First equals to minus one. While left is less than equals to right, mid equals to left plus right divided by 2. Mid equals to target, first equals to mid, and right equals to mid minus 1. And if number mid is less than target, left equals to mid plus 1. Else right mid minus 1 and return first. Okay, bye bye, take care. Please do share, subscribe, like. Tada.